4 Fairfield Pond, Hamptons, USA. Located in Long Island's Hamptons, this enormous estate is valued at about $248 million. With 29 bedrooms, a private power plant, and multiple recreational facilities, it's one of America's grandest and most luxurious homes. .15 Kensington Palace Gardens, London, UK. Owned by Tamara Ecclestone, this lavish property carries a price tag of around $254 million. It includes extravagant features like a private bowling alley, home cinema, and even a personal night club. Odeon Tower Penthouse, Monaco. This luxury penthouse in Monaco's Odeon Tower is worth an estimated $330 million. Featuring a private infinity pool, stunning coastal views, and 5 levels of luxury living, it's one of the world's priciest urban homes. ES, Les Billionaires, France. Translating to Bubble Palace, this futuristic seaside estate is valued at about $420 million. Known for its unique spherical rooms and panoramic Mediterranean views, it's one of France's most iconic architectural masterpieces. CES, Whittenhurst, London, UK. Valued near $450 million. Whittenhurst is the second largest private residence in London after Buckingham Palace. Its grand ballrooms, intricate architecture, and historic significance make it a true royal-scale man. Chaon, Villa Les Cedres, Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, France. Priced at around $450 million. This stunning property is surrounded by 35 acres of lush botanical gardens. Once home to Belgian royalty, Villa Les Cedres represents classic French opulence and old-world GRA. Villa Leopolda, Côte d'Azur, France. Owned by Lily Safra, this legendary French Riviera estate is valued at roughly $750 million. It's known for its historic charm, sweeping sea views, expansive gardens, and private beach, offering an unmatched blend of luxury and legacy. Buckingham Palace, London, UK. Home to the British royal family, Buckingham Palace is estimated to be worth around $1.5 billion. This royal landmark boasts over 700 rooms, lavish interiors, and 40 acres of beautifully maintained gardens, symbolizing centuries of royal age. Heritage, the One, Los Angeles, USA. Developed by Niall Niami, this $1.2 billion mega mansion is famed for its modern design and sheer scale. It's among the largest homes ever built in the United States, featuring cutting-edge architecture and ultra-luxurious entities. Antilia, Mumbai, India. Owned by business tycoon Mukesh Ambani, Antilia is one of the world's most expensive private residences, valued at nearly $2.2 billion. This 27-floor skyscraper offers everything from a private movie theater and spa to multiple swimming pools, hanging gardens, and even a helipad.